You know what? I know what this cake here that you just served me, it's supposed to be tres leche cake. It tastes like dos leche, for a fact. For a fact. Okay? It's supposed to be creamy and milky. Not like a hard sponge. Okay? And the blueberries in here are super mushy. I want them crunchy. And this is supposed to be triple whipped frosting. Triple whipped. It's only double whipped. For a fact, too. So, now I'm gonna get this whole cake for free. Okay? I'm gonna keep it. And then I'm gonna get a bunch of free desserts to take home. Pronto.